iba-iba. Kumbaga, we celebrate all types of love on this concert. Minsan pag gusto mo manood ng Valentine concert, it's all about like love lang, nakahanap ka ng special someone.
Magkakaroon po ba na parang medyo storyline per se yung concert?
I think may mga songs pero syempre we do like lyrics about it. Siguro tapos tatay-tatay na lang din
Can you tell us a little bit about what kind of music will this be? Will this be more on covers or your originals, or a mix of both?
Well, sa mga concerts naman din, hindi mawawala yung mga covers kasi yung importante din na that the people could relate to all the songs. And also, hindi din mawawala yung mga songs na minahal nila, yung mga songs ko na minahal nila.